Meanwhile, getting some breaking news on Ford this morning. Let's get to Phil LeBeau. Hey, Phil.
Carl, Ford announcing its next EV platform. This is a platform the company has been working on for a number of years at its Skunk Works operation out in California. Now they're going public with exactly what this platform will be all about. We'll give you the details in terms of investment and jobs in a bit. But the next electric vehicle to come out of this platform, it'll be an electric pickup truck. They are targeting a sales date of 2027. At least they're planning to launch it then. Estimated sales price, they're shooting for it to be about $30,000. That is in a range where they believe they can do well. And look, it's been talked about for some time. There need to be more lower-priced electric vehicles for them to catch on. So how are they doing this? This will be down at their Louisville, Kentucky plant. They're going to be investing $2 billion to convert that plant for EV production. They are securing, and that's a key word here, securing 2,200 jobs for electric vehicle production at that plant. But over time, that will mean a 600-job reduction at that plant compared to where they are right now. The new EV assembly, it's going to be far faster than the way they make vehicles right now for internal combustion, about 40% faster. Take a look at Ford in the first half of this year. Remember, their sales were down about 10.7%. There they are relative to Tesla, GM, Hyundai, and the other competitors selling electric vehicles here in the U.S. And as you look at shares of Ford, keep in mind that they have not made money at all when it comes to electric vehicles. In fact, they lost $1.3 billion on EVs last quarter. Lots to discuss with Ford CEO Jim Farley. That's coming up next hour on Money Movers. You do not want to miss what he has to say. A big day for Ford as it announces this transition to its next generation of electric vehicles. And there are going to be some questions out there, both in terms of the investment as well as securing these jobs, not adding jobs, securing those 2,200 jobs over the next couple of years. Guys, back to you.
So is this a surprise, Phil? I mean, clearly the administration wants to see more manufacturing in the U.S., so the headline looks good, but just in terms of the strategic direction.
Well, it's not a surprise. We knew that they were going in this direction. They've been working on this next generation of EVs for some time. It's just a matter of when they were going to unveil it. I think the securing 2,200 jobs, which ultimately means 600 jobs will have to go away from that Louisville plant, that's not a surprise either. It takes fewer people to build an electric vehicle, especially if you're building it quicker. That may get some attention, I think, in Washington, D.C., but we'll have to see. We'll talk with Jim Farley about that next hour.